I am making some chicken liver pate. If you haven't tried my recipe yet, you gotta try it out, but we're having some special guests over today, and I'm making some chicken liver pate for them, and we're also gonna do some other yummy things, but love making this. I got my grass-fed butter and these grass-fed organic, not grass-fed, these organic hormone-free chicken livers that I got, and I order them from Amazon. They have some chicken livers on there that I can get from Amazon. It's like a Whole Foods delivery in Amazon. I haven't found anything else that's as convenient as this, but yeah, gonna make this up and show you guys how I make it. It's so simple, like really few ingredients and really easy to make even the day of, because you can pop it in the freezer, which I'm gonna do a little bit later here. Make the chicken liver pate today with bacon to add in some bacon flavor. I know that sounds delicious. It's gonna add a lot of umami flavor to it. So I've got this no sugar added uncured smoked bacon and frying it up here, and I'm gonna use all of that in the chicken liver pate, and it's gonna add so much flavor. And the bacon here put aside, and I got the livers frying up with some bacon fat and garlic and onion, and it's super easy just to fry it up. And then I'm gonna add some filtered water. You can also add some bone broth to it, or even collagen. And then we're gonna add the bacon in. Chopped up all the bacon here, and then I've got the chicken livers. I kind of broke them down into smaller pieces. I'm going to transfer them now into the food processor. Alright, so I've added all that into the food processor, and I'm going to add in bacon in there and process it all together. I'm going to also add some butter into it as well, because pate needs butter. Alrighty, here we go. Alright, so that is all done, and we've got some pate. It smells and tastes amazing. If you have picky eaters in your family, bacon makes everything taste delicious. I'm gonna put the pate in these mason jars and refrigerate. So I've got the pate all done, and about a half a pound of chicken livers gives you about 2 of these, and you can freeze them and take them out the night before or even the day of if you're having people over. And if you're making it same day like I am today, you can pop it in the freezer, which is what I'm going to do right now. And the next couple things I'm making is a smoked mackerel pate. I'm going to make that chimichurri sauce. As for the recipe is here, but you just add about 5 to 6 slices of bacon to it if you'd like to make it the bacon version, which I highly recommend trying because it is absolutely insanely delicious. The next thing I'm making here is some chimichurri. I've got some garlic and olive oil and lots of fresh parsley, and I'm going to blend it in here with some spices. Chimichurri sauce is all done. You can see it here, and it has a gorgeous, vibrant color from all that parsley. It smells so good with that cold pressed olive oil in there. It's so nice, and it's gonna go great with the grilled meats that we're doing a little bit later. I've got my spinach and artichoke dip here, and it's gonna go in the oven and broil. And it is a recipe from Keto Essentials, my cookbook. Put that in the oven to broil and crisp and brown up nicely. Here is Keto Essentials, and here is the dip. It's got spinach, kale, and artichoke, and you can see how it crisps up really nicely in the oven. Looks so pretty there, folks. But yeah, it's one of my favorite recipes when we have people over. And you gotta try it. Let me know if you like it. Got everything ready to go, and those dips are ready here with some pork rinds. These are super yummy pork rinds, and I've got the pate here, which is that bacon pate that I made earlier. And I also made an extra one as a gift. And this is a smoked mackerel and sardine salad that I also made as a dip. So that'll go with the pork rinds. And then we're gonna grill up some meats. Put that there, and I'm gonna put the zucchini on. Fry it up in that garlic and butter.
It's okay.
Perfectly done.
Want to do it too?
No. We got that delicious sirloin all ready. Okay, this is all ready. Got that beef short rib. Slice it up.
Bon appetit.
Baked artichoke and spinach and zucchini. That chimichurri. And some steak and ribs. Yeah.